Hey guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use the Matchfinder if the site would work. There we go. Alright, I'm going to explain and show to you how to use the Matchfinder on our site for matches. First thing you want to do is make sure you're enrolled in the ladder that you want to find a match on. So you go to that ladder, you go to, for that it would be doubles. Sorry, that was actually the wrong area. You want to go to My Controls and you want to go to Find a Match. Keep in mind that this will only work if you're on the Firefox or Internet Explorer web browser. It does not work on Chrome or Safari or Opera or pretty much anything else. So you want to show matches for whatever you're enrolled in. It'll be the only way you can accept a match. For wherever you're looking for one, if you're trying to schedule in advance or if you only want to look today, you pick Find Matches. Now, for me right now, it says that there's no matches up. And that can be the case sometimes. So what you want to do is set you want to post your own then, obviously, if there's none up there. Keep in mind that CDT is Central Time. For those on the East Coast, that's 1 hour behind us. For those on the West Coast, that's 2 hours ahead of you. Mountain Time, that's 1 hour ahead of you. For guys in the UK, that is 6 hours behind you. You just got to figure out and do the math yourself. I don't think there's a way to change that. It's a bug on. I'll try to get that fixed as soon as possible. But you obviously want to set the date. Right now it is 5:39 Central, so I will put one up for 5:45 p.m. And then you put number of rounds, 3 rounds or 5 rounds. That is the number of maps you'll play, by the way, for Gears. Hopefully we'll eventually get that changed to say number of maps. Suggested number of players per team. You must fill this in, and you have to play by the amount of people that you put in. So if you put 4, each team has to have 4 players. You can't play 3v3 if it says 4. You can't play 5v5 if it says 4. You can't play 17 on 17 if it says 4. If it says 4, you're playing 4v4 regardless of whether you thought you accepted a 4v4 or a 3v3. Then for override randomized game mode, what that means is if you pick no, you can get any game mode. If you pick, for example, if you're playing on our team ladder, you could get a match that has an execution choice, a King of the Hill choice, an execution King of the Hill choice. It could be all over the place and it would mess everything up. You do not want to click no. You want to make sure it's yes and you pick whatever. So for the Gears 1 doubles, the only option is execution as it runs the MLG variant. Then you pick post match, and it'll tell you that the match was posted in our database. You can see it there. It'll tell you the players, the rounds, everything. You can delete it if you posted it, and that's how you accept it. That is the tutorial on how to use the Matchfinder. It's pretty simple. I went into a lot of detail, hopefully covered everything on it. If you have any other problems with the Matchfinder, make sure to contact a staff member.